I saw your dad, but I haven't seen her.
Go, Megan.
No.
Oh. Right. No kidding.
You're not going to get it down the middle, is he?
I'm guessing that's what the mound visit was about. Right?
It's hard for this age group to not
Right.
to place your pitches. Wow.
You swallowing sticky stuff?
You got it, Macon.
He's like strong, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody got a good hit yet?
Braylon had a good hit.
It wasn't a bad hit, it was just
Well, it was a long drive. It was nice.
It was probably the hardest hit ball today so far.
Mm-hmm.
really?
Yep.
I thought I hit the first hit of the game.
Oh, he hit it.
Sure. Yeah.
Hey, put the glove. Well, this is how you got it. Put the glove. Is that it?
You got it, Macon.
No. You've been breaking it in since you got it. His glove got too floppy.
Oh,
And started to hurt his hand. There you go. Worn down in the palm. It was time. He probably had that for 2 years. Heads up, Jayla!
I might be lost. Oh, it came back.
It
Came out?
bounced out. It hit the top of the fence. Bounced the right way. What are they doing there? Oh yeah. I guess I'm not used to being on the backside. I think I've been to like a wedding reception here at this American League.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like 20 years
Years ago,
20
yeah.
years ago.
How much ounce is
2 hours.
Is that in a hopping place now?
Nobody goes there.
Good eye, Macon.
Now it's 3-2-2.
He thought it was.
it looks like he was walking around.
I think he thought
I think he was, yeah. Breeze feels good now, doesn't it? They must have switched directions or something.
It's only like mid-70s. Oh shoot.
Get there.
Good job, Ander.
You missed a walk.
Rhino did a good job pitching, man. Holy cow, you look good.
You did?
Rhino.
Oh yeah, you
You
did.
look great. I know he's always good anyways, but I mean,
he was
it's just looking
consistent today.
a good curveball. He had everything going. You look great.
You can tell he's changed now a little bit.
Yeah.
His face
I know,
got
I
slow.
know, yeah. I just love him. He's a good kid.
It's gonna happen someday at my house, right? Someday.
What is?
Someday, grow.
I'm growing.
Gavin's growing. Actually, Blake is grown.
Mm-hmm. I thought so. I thought he looked bigger up there to bat, you know.
Yeah.
I could tell a difference.
Just not at the rate of others. Needs to close the gap.
Yeah, that's right. I think I would rather it both be later anyways than earlier. So, you know, you can work on these things. You know, when you do get that height, then you got that plus that.
You've had to work harder.
Right.
Well, at least like with Cooper, he's been the biggest kid, but you never made him like a
Right.
big man.
You got it, Mace.
He's a good guard, you know, point guard. You're smart. Well, it also helps when Dad's a coach and can control, like, not putting him under the basket. Oh, wow. Must be awesome.
Yeah.
How much
This is his second.
So Ryan only pitched one?
No, Ryan pitched. He came in the first inning. Houston just couldn't get strikes going.
Yeah, he was kind of finding like Koopas a little bit, I think.
Just couldn't get it down.
Early. It's early, and
I know.
being on a mound. And the mound might be a little different than some.
That's what they were saying. The mound is high.
And frankly, a little bit of a small zone, I think, too. Right there.
Decided not to play tag.
Because I went over there in the car and took him off. I didn't want to put him back on.
Oh, no, it did have
Do you know how to do that?
Why do you need to do that?
That's what happened.
Did anybody actually watch this?
I don't know. Probably.
I wish it showed viewers.
Oh. Ooh, good point.
Spinning this.
Yeah. When you're going live, can you tell who's watching?
No, not on this. Like maybe if you're on the.
On your phone doing it.
Yeah.
You just can't be as sturdy with your phone.
When I was doing Game Changer plus that, it was kind of.
That sounds like me.
My dad was helping me with the camera a lot, so.
Well, did you have it on a stand? Because it was.
No, I had it clipped.
Yeah, because it was
Yeah.
pretty. It shouldn't wobble. Huh?
Right, so we just clipped it on the chair or whatever, the railing.
Oh, you know, I should even think of it. Yeah.
Wow.
It's a good pitch there. Off speed.
They're
How
really
many,
fast.
how many pitches early on like this is
All
too
of our
many?
stuff outside.
Well, we kind of held ours to 50 to 60 first.
Roadie.
Yeah.
And you just increase a little bit at a time. And,
Yeah.
you know, you're really probably gonna keep it on 80 or 90 anyways. At a time at least, and then you know, depending on how you book those big long weekend ones, you can adjust.
Like you get.
Yeah, I told Liam we have to stop when you get up.
Go, Charlie.
It looks like this kind of goes up, like the outfield kind of gets slants up.
Yeah, I noticed when they were warming up, that looked like they were up high in the back, especially the back
Yeah.
of it.
Blake came and got bug spray.
I like that one
Apparently
field.
there's bugs in center too.
I like the one.
They are here too. I know. I've had to spray a couple of times. Good pitch.